How to find your kitchen sink size. Hello friends, today we will talk that how to find your kitchen sink size. Before you buy a new sink, you'll need to take some measurements of your current sink. You can use a standard ruler, but flexible measuring tape is much easier. If you're replacing your sink with a drop-in sink with rims, start measuring from the outer lip of the sink, not the basin itself. If you have an undermount sink, start measuring where the edge meets the counter. Next, find the length of your sink. Fix your measuring tape to the left edge of the sink and stretch it over to the right. That's your length. To find the width, measure from the back edge of the sink to the front edge. Find your sink's depth by measuring the top edge of the sink down to the bottom. If you want a deeper sink replacement, add a couple inches to your depth. 10 inches is a good size upgrade from 7 inches, for example. Don't forget to measure your kitchen countertops, counter height, and kitchen cabinets to find the right proportions. Sizing tips and adjustments. Your sink works with other kitchen elements to create a convenient layout. If your overhead cabinets hang low, you'll want to avoid faucet necks that are too high. Plus, if your kitchen counter height is too low, chances are you're straining yourself at the sink. Consider moving your overhead cabinets up and increasing the counter height to reduce back strain. Likewise, consider lowering your kitchen counter height and overhead cabinets if they're too high. You don't want to risk any kitchen accidents. Discover the perfect kitchen sink size. Don't risk the consequences of the wrong sink size. Find the right measurements and sink style for your needs, whether you're selling your home, downsizing to an apartment, or accommodating a large household. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.